30504 is the game pin. So 29 3830504 is the game pin. All right, so 50% of you have joined. Less than 50%. Okay, so come on guys, please join the quiz fast and use your own name. Okay, please use your own name. Don't use others' name. Okay, it's not good. So guys, those who are joining late, game pin is 3830504. Guys, I'll be starting the quiz within a minute. Please join fast. RCV Vivek. Yeah. So you guys will not listen to me. You guys will just simply take any of the name. That show your attitude. No problem. I can't change that. Anyway, those who are serious, those who care, please use your actual name. Rest I can't control. It's up to you. Whatever you want to show to me, I don't have to do anything with that. Thank you, Vivekanand. Thank you for that. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you for listening to a teacher. Thank you. I really appreciate that. चलिए, बाकी लोग जो फालतू का नाम यूज करना चाहते हैं, you are most welcome. You can do whatever you want to do. No one can stop you from doing that, but only you. ठीक है? So guys, let us start the quiz now. ठीक है? So game pin is 3830504. Those who have joined late. So I'm going to start the quiz here. Okay, 3830504 is the game pin. Let me start the quiz. So the first quiz is, guys, we'll be talking about, we'll be playing a quiz which is related to reflection of light. ठीक है? So take your time. 120 seconds का है. कुछ few of them are for 90 seconds also. So yeah, this is the question. Come on guys, solve this. Extremely easy question. If you have solved some numericals from a book, na, you must have find this question in any of the book, like any standard book. Might not be in the same format, might not be in the form of statement, but yes, you must have actually seen this question if you have actually solved some book. Come on guys, answer this. 70 seconds left. $50 seconds left. Guys, in ray optics, always try to draw the diagrams. So 40 seconds are left. In less than 80 seconds, in less than a minute, more than 50 of you have already answered. Let us see how many of you can actually get the correct answer. I've got 55 answers. Come on guys, answer this. Last 15 seconds left. All right, so this is it. 61 of you have answered, and the correct answer for this question is 60 degree. Only 16 of you got the correct answer. Rest all of you got incorrect answer. Guys, please try to draw the diagram. You'll get an equilateral triangle. Okay? You'll get an equilateral triangle. I don't want to go to the notebook page. Otherwise, it will start lagging again. Okay? So देखो बच्चा media. What was the question actually? There were two plane mirrors that were inclined to each other such that the ray of light. So the incident ray of light, okay, reflecting at first mirror will be parallel to M2, and after reflection from M2, the reflected ray will be parallel to M1. ठीक है? So you have to find what is the angle between the mirrors. So once the quiz will be over, I'll try to solve some of the questions. All right. Let us move to next question. But first, okay. So this is the scoreboard. I don't know who is at the rate something. I'm going to erase him. Okay. So Monisha, Pritesh, Pavitra, Tarun, and Vijeta. These are the 5 toppers. Okay. So these are the 5 in the top scoreboard. Okay. Let us go to the next question. Pritesh, I think you got incorrect. चलो बच्चा, answer this. Don't commit mistake. आराम से answer करो, ठीक है? Abhishek, I don't care what was that. Use your actual name. That this quiz is not to like show your fancy names, or how can you write your name in terms of some alpha, beta, or gamma. It's not a competition where you can write your name in a fancier way. It's not that. So I don't care what was that. I won't be considering that. Simple. A concave mirror for face viewing has focal length of 0.4 meter. The distance at which you hold the mirror from your face in order to see your image upright with a magnification of 5 is. Come on, guys, try to solve it. Get the answer. It's very easy, actually. It's very easy. Achha, how many of you were expecting some kind of आसान सा सवाल, छोटा सा? I don't know, Pratish, what was that? Okay, after the quiz, I'll let you know what was my plan actually. Okay? Chalo. So 20 seconds are left, guys. Please answer this fast. It's not advanced level. Basic level question hai. Bilkul basic. You just have to use the mirror formula. That's it. You have to use the mirror formula and the magnification formula. You don't have to use even magnification formula. Mirror formula. Just put the value of f and u in the magnification formula, get the answer. So correct answer for this is 0.32, and 23 of you have got the correct answer. Well done, guys. Keep it up. See, if you look at the question, it says a concave mirror has been used. Focal length is 0.4. So f will be minus 0.4. The distance at which you hold the mirror from your face in order to see your image upright with the magnification of 5. So what is the distance at which you should hold the mirror from your face? That means what should be the object distance? What should be the object distance, so that the image that is going to be formed should be an upright image. That means erect image with a magnification of 5. So upright image, to face thoda ulta thodi karke dekhega, right? You'll look at the mirror with upright face, right? So can I say magnification here we have to consider as +5. So consider m as +5. Put the value of m as +5. So m is equal to, you know the formula, f divided by f minus u. Put the value of f as minus 0.4. Put the value of f as minus 0.4 in numerator and denominator. The only unknown that you're having is u only. Small u, right? So you'll get u as minus 0.32. Minus 0.32. But in this question, they have asked what is the distance. So you have to just quote the distance, that is 0.32 meter. Guys, how many of you struggled in this one? As I can say from the scoreboard only, like so many of you have got the incorrect answer. But I'm talking about those who actually couldn't understand how to solve it. I'm not talking about those silly mistakes, like those who have done some kind of silly mistakes. Yeah, you might be doing some silly mistakes, but you should be able to know the approach for this type of question. If you're not aware of the approach for these type of questions, that shows that you have not attempted a single question at your home. Simple, as simple as that. It is the whole truth. It is the universal truth that you have not solved a single question honestly at your home. That is why you are not able to answer a question like this, because there is a proper reason for that, guys. Because the similar type of question you must have solved in standard 10th in optics. Because I can still remember that in ray optics, in ray optics in standard 10th, I have solved minimum 100 questions. Even if you're not that kind of guy who want to solve so many numericals, you must have solved minimum 20 to 25 questions in the class or after the class from optics. The similar kind of questions. Okay? Chaliye, anyway. So this was the second question. Only 23 of you have got the correct answer. Let us move to the scoreboard. So Monisha is out of the league. So Vijeta is the topper right now. Sagar Patil, second one. Lakshman, third one. Pratish Patil, fourth one. And Prashant with some kind of emojis, fifth one. Okay. So, chalo ba chalo. Let us move on to third question. So, third quiz of today's class. Come on, guys. Answer this. Guys, you know how to zoom, right? You can zoom your zoom in your Zoom screen while you are attending a meeting on Zoom. I think you can zoom the screen, right? So by two fingers, like pinching out like this. So you can zoom the screen if you are unable to see the question properly. Pinch out to zoom your screen, and if you're struggling with the question, you can just zoom in and then you can see it. बच्चा लोग डीजे बज रहा है क्या? Okay, इसको बंद करो. अरे यार, I don't know what is going on. I can't do that. It's not coming down actually. All right, I can't do that. Enjoy Madidan. Enjoy the music. I can't because it's not coming down. I'm trying to scroll it down, but it's not coming down. I can zoom in, zoom out. That's it. And it's not multi-touch, na. So if I'll be touching at one place, I can't be doing at other places. Okay. Wow, what a rhyme. Okay. I don't know what you guys are actually listening, but enjoy, madi. It's okay. गाना का मजा लो. DJ वाले बाबू मेरा गाना बजा. अरे बंद नहीं हो रहा है. I don't know how to. देख, I can't touch that. I'm touching that particular thing after zooming. It's not coming down also. Alright guys, so 58 of you have answered, and the correct answer is C. No Pranav, that is not the way. ठीक है? So guys, that is not the way बच्चा, वो अलग चीज है. Horn came at last, sir. Okay. See, problem is I don't know why it is zooming in all the time, and I'm not able to actually see that the top right corner. You can see that part, right? वहाँ पे वो कुछ touch ही नहीं हो रहा है. Okay. Anyway, so in this question, only 9 of you have got the correct answer. Only 9 of you have got the correct answer. Let me see whether I can play it on the other. यहाँ देखो तो play करके. Wait a minute, guys. Guys, was that sound too annoying? क्या? There's so many of you saying, sir, बहुत आवाज आ रहा है. प्रतीश कह रहा है, सर मुझे मजा आया. हाँ, प्रणव, you have to rejoin. Wait करो, wait करो. You only told ना Kahoot. When so many images are there, I don't know what is the problem with Kahoot. Either cookies are disabled or whatever it is. कुछ तो issue है Kahoot के साथ. एक सेकंड रुक जाओ, एक सेकंड में फिगर आउट करता हूँ मैं. ठीक है, अदरवाइज I'll just start from there only. Guys, very few of you are actually getting correct answer. What's the problem? Sir, it's okay to continue. Let me try. Reconnect. अरे गाना के साथ मस्ती कर रहा है, छोड़ो हटाओ। So guys, let us move on to, guys, game pin is still the same. You can use the same game pin. Here is 383004. So Vijeta is at the first. Yeah, Vijeta is the first one to score. Sagar Patil, second rank. Prashant, third one. Fourth, Neerja. And fifth one is Lakshman. Let us move on to fourth question. अच्छा तुझे सॉरी प्रतीश, सॉरी फॉर दैट। आंसर करो चलो इसको जल्दी से। Guys, please answer this fast. Guys, let me know whether the music goes down or not. Now, is it okay, guys? Nope. Then, though, I don't know whether there might be compatibility issue with this Google Chrome. अरे I was trying to. Safari थोड़ा और slow हो रहा है बच्चा. In Safari it's not coming at all. I think the traffic on Kahoot has increased a lot because I'm like seeing this kind of problem. I'm facing this problem from last 1 week a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा. I think the traffic on this website is like crazy. Alright guys, 40 seconds are left. Yes, Pratish. Due to Corona, there are so many things that has become popular. So Corona has given something to us also. If online classes, if Corona would not have been there, if you would have been asked to go for online classes, for few of the days you might have enjoyed because you will be able to like do something online. After 2 to 3 days, you guys would have said no, online nahi padna hai sir. But because of this Corona, now few of you must be actually used to this. Alright guys, 8 seconds are left. I've got 55 answers. 56. Alright. So 24 of you have got the correct answer. 24 of you have got the correct answer. Pranav, अगली बार तुमने ऐसी बातें करी ना, I'll remove you. पक्का. Promise. Saturday promise. Whatever day it is, प्रज्वल, तेरा तू सलमान खान नहीं बच्चा. बॉडी बाहर में बना के दिखाना. क्या कर रहा है रे तू? वो नंगा पुंगा होके शर्ट पहन रहा है तू कैमरा के सामने. What is going on, प्रज्वल? From Mangalore. अरे यार थोड़ा guys, please educate yourself. Anyway, so 24 of you have got the correct answer and the correct answer is 5 centimeter. Guys, if you look at the question is a rod of length 10 centimeter lies along the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter in such a way that its end closer to the pole is 20 centimeter away from the mirror. Guys, if focal length is 10, what is the radius of curvature? 20. That means one of the end is at the center of curvature. So one of the end of the image will also be at the center of curvature. So just find the distance of image, ठीक है, image of the other end. Other end कहाँ है बच्चा लोग? तो देखो ध्यान से. So if the length of the rod is 10, so other end will be at 30 centimeter from the concave mirror. So consider U as minus 30, F as minus 10. Yeah, F as minus 10. Find the value of V. And I think the value of V that you're going to get is minus 15 something, right? So yeah, the answer, the value of V will be minus 15. If you get V is equal to minus 15, okay, for the other end. And and the other end is what? At 20. So what is the distance between these two ends? So 20 minus 15, that is 5. So length of the image will be 5 only. Let us see the scoreboard here, guys. Who is the topper here? Okay, Vijeta is still maintaining that. Okay, Vijeta Shitter has the highest answer streak of 4. So she has given 4 correct answers. Okay, very good, bacha. Then second one is Sagar, Prashant is third, Lakshman fourth, and Janvi is fifth. Let us move on to next question. Enjoy the music. Read the following question carefully and give me the answer. Guys, don't complain about the music. मजा करो, ठीक है? हाँ, नया music. All the questions, every questions will have new music. Enjoy the music. Classroom protection. I don't know what that means. Classroom protection मुझे पता नहीं क्या है. Come on, guys, answer this. A car is fitted with a convex side view mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Second car 2.8 meters behind the first car is overtaking the first car at a relative speed of 15 meters per second. Speed of the image of the second car as seen in the mirror of the first one. So what is the velocity of image with respect to the mirror? I don't have to. चलो बच्चे लोग जल्दी आंसर करो. Only 43 of you have answered. 30 seconds left. Pavitra, who is doing that Despacito song पे डांस, छोटू सा बच्चा. Pavitra, there's I think small guy who was actually dancing, right? I think there's a guy who was dancing on the song. वो Despacito का song पे जैसा डांस करते हैं ना, वैसा song पे डांस कर रहा था. अच्छी बात है guys. It's good that you guys are enjoying it. All right. So 1/15 meter per second is the correct answer. Okay, Pavitra. So 19 of you have got the correct answer. 1/15 meter per second is the correct answer. And I'm surprised that still 19 of you have got the correct answer. It's good actually. I didn't expect that even 19 of you will get the correct answer. So Kamara, okay. Guys, see, a convex mirror is used. Focal length is given to you, okay? So F is plus 20 given to you. A second car, 2.8 meter behind the first car. So what is the object distance, bachalo? So U is given to you as 2.8 meter, okay? So minus 2.8 meter will be the U value. And the second car is actually overtaking the first car at a relative speed of 15 meter per second. So velocity of second car with respect to first one is 15 meter per second, right? So can I say that velocity of object with respect to mirror, because car में mirror लगा है, so velocity of the object with respect to mirror is given to you as 15 meter per second. Okay, all right. You need to find what is the speed of image of the second car as seen in the mirror of the first one. So what is the velocity of second car? So what is the velocity of image, right? What is the velocity of image? ठीक है बच्चा, तो इसको फिर कैसे आंसर करेंगे? What is the formula? Guys, what is the formula? We have already studied VIM is equal to minus M square divided by, M square into VO. The velocity of object with respect to mirror has been given to you. Velocity of image with respect to mirror has to be calculated. Just put the value, get the answer. All right. So let us move on to the scoreboard में विजेता second position पे आ गया. Then first one is Prashant. All right. Calculation error किया. Very bad. So Prashant is at the top. Vijeta second. Sagar third. Lakshman fourth. Prajwal fifth. GS Korimath is the highest climber. He has climbed up 45 places. Very good. Next question. Come on, guys. No, Pranav. First of all, I'm not using OneNote, and second of all, if I'll use that, मुश्किल होता है Kahoot में. It will again reconnect. ठीक है? It will again reconnect. Come on, guys. Answer this. A point source of light. ठीक है? I think I have already solved this question. You don't need even 100 seconds for that. If you recall the classes, I think I have solved this question already in this class. Yes, Sutesh, you should be. But if you are actually answering this within 2 seconds, that means you have not read the question properly. That is also bad strategy. Pradeep, if you are answering within 5 seconds, that means you have not read the question properly. So थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. So don't think that whatever the question that you are actually looking at or if the figure looks similar, that question might be the same. If the diagram or the image looks similar, that doesn't mean the question might be the same. थोड़ा सा you have to be थोड़ा सा careful. There might be a different question in the statement. There might be a different condition that has been given in the statement. So please be careful, okay? My voice is syncing with the music. All right. But yeah. So DJ वाले बाबू गाना भी बजा रहा है, music भी दे रहा है. क्या बात है? Alright guys, let me skip this. So already 57 of you have answered. So in this also only 36 of you have got the correct answer. It is exactly the same question that we have already solved in the class. Exactly same question. What is the distance over which the man will look at his image, can completely see his image? So answer is what? 3D. ठीक है ना? So if the distance, if the length of the size of the mirror is D, if the size of the mirror is D, what will be the distance up to which he can see his complete image? For a 3D distance. So the answer for this is what? 3D. So let us see the scoreboard here. Okay, Vijeta has again come back to the first rank. Very good. Prashant second पे आ गया. Third Sagar Patil. Fourth Lakshman. Prajwal fifth. So top 5 को कोई हिला नहीं पा रहा है. It's very bad. It's very bad. So actually these 5 guys are like actually maintaining the top, like this scoreboard from last 3 questions. बच्चा लोग हटाओ इनमें से किसी को. Please do something. All right, let us move on to next question, guys. No, Vivekanand, I'm very bad at that. I'm very bad at that. And that too in front of students. Never, it will never happen. Come on, guys, answer this. 65 seconds are left. Answer this. Chaliye. So 56 or 57 of you have answered. Actually 61 of you have answered. So correct answer is 90 centimeter and 23 of you have got the correct answer. All right, guys. I don't want to explain this question because this is very, very simple question, guys. Magnification is given to you. Focal length is given to you. You have to find the value of u. You just have to use the direct formula. Okay, I skipped the scoreboard. Let us see in next question whether anybody has surpassed those 5 guys or not. Okay, so this is the next question, guys. Answer this. An object is 20 centimeter away from a concave mirror with focal length 15 centimeter. If the object moves with a speed of 5 meter per second along the axis, then the speed of the image will be. Come on, guys, solve this. Guys, don't worry. From Monday or Tuesday, the problems that we face with the laptop or this will go away. Don't worry. I'm figuring out something. Music stopped. ठीक है then. Now, okay, let us see, Pritish, whether you're correct or not. Yeah, I think so. I have done the same question in the class. Exactly the same question. Still, let us see how many of you can give me the correct answer. F was 13 my question. I don't know. But answer that is here and the answer that was there also the same. दोनों का answer same ही था. Abhishek, yes. Correct answer is 45 meter per second. So 32 of you have got the 32 got the correct answer, and the answer is 45 meter per second. Yes, Abhishek, वो आ जाएगा. I think आ जाना चाहिए था आज ही, but I don't know why it didn't come. All right, let us see the scoreboard. Okay, Prajwal is out of the league. Prajwal, तुझे लोगों ने भगा दिया. So Vishruth has entered the top 5 scoreboard, जिसमें Vijeta is maintaining his rank at 1, Prashant is at 2nd, Lakshman 3rd, Sagar Patil 4th, and Vishruth is at 5th. Very good, guys. Keep it up. अरे कोई तो हटाओ विजेता को. विजेता प्रशांत दोनों को हटाओ अगली बार. नो आदित्य, मेरा कुछ नहीं ऐसा चैलेंज है. Next question. You'll get to know, Abhishek. You'll get to know. 900 point difference. तब तो मुश्किल है. Come on, guys, answer this. The second last question of today's quiz. Aditya, why are you looking at my beard, yaar? क्या फर्क पड़ता है whether I'm having the beard or not? How does it matter with the teaching and all? I'm not coming to your college. I'm not actually coming in front of you. It's okay, na chalega. As long as it's not disgusting, as long as it's not disturbing, I think you should not be worrying about that. I'm not having any beard challenge. Because few college guys must know this, that I don't actually care about this beard and all. Aditya, that is very, very bad comparison, yaar. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Again, DJ is back. So enjoy, Madi. डांस वांस करके दिखाओ यार तुम लोग. क्या तुम लोग फालतू का पढ़ाई करते हो? DJ is back. Music is back. Finally, DJ died. हाँ. All right. Come on, guys, answer this. Tarun, what did I say to you and Rohan? मैंने क्या बोला था? Okay, so 20 of you have got the correct answer. And the answer is at the pole of convex mirror. Because this was very, very easy, बच्चा. ठीक है? तो इसमें क्या है? Actually, when you will find out, see, the question is, you need to find where the image will be formed. Final image will be formed. So, the first reflection कहाँ हो रहा है बच्चा लोग? At concave mirror. So, for concave mirror, use the mirror formula. Try to get the value of V. And I think the value of V will be minus 15 centimeter. If you get the V is equal to minus 15 centimeter, that means image will be in front of the concave mirror at a distance of 15 meter from it. But at a distance of 15 meter from it, in front of concave mirror, convex mirror is present. That means image of the object or image after first reflection will be at the pole, right? So, abhi, what will be the image of that object which is located at the pole of the convex mirror? At the pole of the convex mirror only, right? So that is why the answer is what? At the pole of the convex mirror. So option C is the correct answer. I don't know Athar, because I have not prepared this particular Kahoot. हमारे कंटेंट टीम में जो काम करते हैं उनको ये बनाने के लिए दिया जाता है. टीचर्स के पास उतना टाइम नहीं होता यार. ठीक है? All right, let us see the scoreboard. All right. So Vijeta again, the top. Prashant 2nd, Lakshman 3rd, Sagar 4th. Prajwal again came back to the top 5. So 4 of them actually never went to this, like were out of this top 5 rank. Vijeta, Prashant, Lakshman, Sagar. Very good, guys. Well done. And Prajwal, well done. So 3 players just hit the answer streak 4, Let us move to the last question of today's quiz. डीजे चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए? Okay, Karan. Okay, ठीक है. All right. I now I can remember, Karan. एग्जाम में भी डांस करना पड़ेगा if you don't study, okay? तो एग्जाम में भी डांस करना यार. It's good to dance. डीजे आपके जैसा. But don't joke. ठीक है? I'm not expecting your classes. चलो बच्चा आंसर करो जल्दी से. If you don't draw the diagram, there's a high probability that will get wrong. And I know most of you are actually guessed it. Most of you are actually guessing it. तुक्का मार रहे हो. पकड़ बुकते हो 80-90 पूरे सब. So because when I've seen that within 30 seconds, more than 40 or 30 of you have responded, I got to know that you guys have actually guessed it. Simple. Why can't give the answer? Why can't give the answer? क्या था? एग्जाम डांस का होता तो चलता. अरे डांस करने में क्या दिक्कत है यार? गाना बज रहा है, डांस करो. All right, so 5 seconds are left, guys. 55, 56 of you have already answered. 1 second, done. 57 of you have responded. So correct answer is 40 degree. Ballable. Correct answer is 40 degree. ठीक है? You have to draw the diagram, बच्चा लोग. You have to draw the diagram, then only you can figure out the angle is 40 degree. And that is very very simple question. आप आराम से उसको figure out कर सकते थे, ठीक है? So all right, guys, let us see who is the topper then. All right, third rank पे कौन रहे? सागर पाटिल, as usual. Okay, he was maintaining third rank continuously. Okay, Lakshman has moved to second rank. Very good. First one, I think Vijeta will be first rank. Vijeta, at least he was leading by 800-900 from second rank. All right, so first Vijeta, second Lakshman, and third one is Sagar. है ना? Fourth fifth आया था वो भाग गया रही. Next, I don't want to see anything अभी. तुम्हें full report देखना है, time pass करना है क्या रे? कितना time pass करते हो यार तुम लोग? That is why I don't want to play Kahoot in at least in Q2 classes. It takes a lot of time here. You want to see full report? देखो घूमेगा भी ये Kahoot. Alright guys, I think you know already कि किसका कितना आया था. Fourth आ गया, प्रशांत fourth आया. Fifth कौन था बच्चा? Who was at fifth? Rajwal or someone else? ये जब तक full report आएगा तब तक क्लास ही खत्म हो जाएगा रे. Rajwal, all right. Rajwal was fifth. ठीक है. Top 5 में आए विजेता, लक्ष्मण, सागर, प्रशांत and Rajwal. But Prashant, you were maintaining that second, ना? चलो बच्चा आगे बढ़ते हैं. आएगा रिपोर्ट तो दिखा दूंगा. अभी रिपोर्ट आने में टाइम लगेगा. अभी ब्लड दिया है ना? Athar, we got 9th rank. Okay, so Athar is at the 9th rank. Who was 6th one, बच्चा? Who was at the 6th place? लेट आंसर किया. हाँ, तब तो मुश्किल. समृद्धि त्रिपाठी is at 6th place. Okay. 7th कौन था? Tell me who was at 7th place? Who was at 7th? 7th rank किसका था? Go slower. मैं क्या कहाँ भाग रहा हूँ भाई? मैं थोड़ी ट्रेन हूँ. अभी बोल रहा है go slower. Aditya Kulkarni. Okay, Aditya Kulkarni rank is 892. How is it possible? Vishrut was 8th. All right. Janvi was at 7th. Okay, very good. ठीक है. So actually, Janvi, you actually moved to 45 places now once. Guys, it's taking a lot of time. It's actually very very bad. I don't. You want to see the podium? View the podium. Okay. So ये सिर्फ 5 का दिखाएगा क्या? अरे यार. ये गाइस बहुत टाइम पास है ये. ठीक है, मैं आगे पढ़ाई करा रहा हूँ, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गो बैक टू दैट. चलो बच्चा लोग, so let us come back to the real business. So guys, I know few of you must be विस्तृत करा लेते हैं ना, क्या दिक्कत है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या था बच्चा? What was the third question? विस्तृत is saying third question. Read the question carefully. Third कौन सा था? क्या डाउट था बच्चा? हाँ आदेश has asked a doubt. क्या पूछा था तुमने बच्चा? फोर्स एक्टिंग इमेज. अरे बच्चा इमेज पार्टिकल है क्या? I think you would have figured out already. बच्चा आदेश has asked yesterday one question, and the question was कि sir, if image is being accelerated, and we know that for acceleration of any particle we need force. So who is applying force on the image? Guys, do you want to answer this? Guys, do you want to answer this? What is the reason behind that? First of all, बच्चा न्यूटन्स लॉ जो लगाते हो ना, फोर्स की बात करते हो, that is for what? Correct. पार्टिकल थोड़ी है. इमेज पार्टिकल है क्या? मास है क्या उसका? So we cannot use this Newtonian's mechanics. We cannot use the particles theory here. Got the point? We use Newtonian's mechanics for classical part. Classical mechanics के लिए macro object की बात करते हैं तब, ठीक है? वहां पे आप particles theory can't use that. All right? ठीक है बच्चा. Third question, I think this was the third question, right? Shaving तक क्या था बच्चा? So okay, you have been asked to design a shaving mirror, face at 10 centimeter, image needed at 25 centimeter, find the focal length. Questions were not difficult बच्चा, ठीक है? Questions difficult नहीं थे, but I know, see, within 2 minutes, if you have to answer these questions, guys, normally I'll tell you very frankly, I'm not in favor of conducting Kahoot quizzes in competitive classes like JEE NEET wale mein. Because guys, I'll tell you very frankly that if I include the numerical questions here, you will not enjoy the quiz. If I include theoretical questions here, then होता क्या है कि हाँ, it might give you a थोड़ा सा sense of satisfaction that you know the concept. But with the time frame we are having, or with the online classes and all those things, I think that will take some like 1 घंटा आधा घंटा हमारा चला जाता है ऐसे ही, and we'll be just learning the same thing that we have already studied. So that only like make you feel good, because you don't study those questions, you don't solve those questions at your home. Because if you're actually studying those questions, if you're solving those questions at your home, and if I'll be asking you basic simple question, then you'll feel like my time is getting wasted. When I'm asking you these numericals, you guys are saying sir maja nahi aaya, sir tough questions tha. But I'm in favor of these type of questions in the class, because when you write a test, before writing a test, you don't practice these kind of things. You don't practice solving question in a time frame, in a proper time frame. That is why few of you are not able to actually score good mark. इसका reason ये भी होता है, ठीक है? So I have seen the Kahoot quiz here, and then when I've seen the question, I thought okay, it can be used as Kahoot quiz. मजा आएगा फिर, ठीक है? All right, what is this Atharv? ये क्या है Atharv? Why it is written there? क्या written there? चलो बच्चा. So guys, question number 3. Question number 3. Do you want to share the approach? That difficulty is written there because depending on the responses. Difficult questions 9, it is depending on the responses. It was difficult to you. That doesn't mean they were difficult questions, because you couldn't like solve it. See, accuracy was very, very low. If more than 50% of you were giving the correct answer, then these many questions would not be considered as difficult. These questions have been considered difficult because very few of you got the correct answer. We have already solved so many questions in the class only, right? समझ में आ रही बात? चलिए, Prashant is sharing an approach for third question. He's saying, sir, mirror formula करेंगे. Sorry, image distance positive लेना है sir in third question. Why Prashant? Why do we need to take image distance positive? Tell me बच्चा, why do we need to take image distance positive? Virtual image, very good. देखो बच्चा, if you are going to find यहाँ पे हो रहा है बच्चा, क्यों नहीं लोड हो रहा है यार? हो जा हो जा हो जा। गाइस मैं पढ़ा दूंगा बाद में, ठीक है? अभी वो लोड होने दो उसको। देयर इज प्रॉब्लम विद काउट, कुछ तो इशू है। लेट अस कम बैक टू नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस। तुम आराम से सॉल्व कर लो उसके। एनीवे आई विल गिव यू द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दोस आल्सो, डोंट वरी। गिव मी एन आंसर फॉर दिस वन फर्स्ट। ट्राई टू गिव मी एन आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। इसका आंसर करो। Try to give me an answer for this question. 10 meter per second downward. Okay. This is interesting. उतना आसान क्वेश्चन है नहीं बच्चा ये. You don't have to use a simple formula. वैसे नहीं होगा. I'll be teaching you theory based on this. I want you to actually attempt it. Use your brain. Use all the concepts that you know. ठीक है? Then just attempt it. After attempting it, I'll teach you what is the theory that we are going to study. So Vishruth has answered 10 meter per second downward. Chetana has answered minus 20 meter per second. Okay. देखते हैं. Narek is saying minus 10 meter per second. Guys, have you done this? If you have done this, this is wrong. If you have done this, this is wrong. Or if you have simply done this, if you have committed a mistake and you didn't square it, and then you have done this and giving me the answer as minus 10 meter per second, this is wrong. Completely wrong. Why this is wrong? Because the motion of the particle is not along the principal axis. I have taught you. I have given you the relation where velocity of object was what? Parallel to the principal axis. Then what is the velocity of image with respect to mirror? That was minus of v square by u square into velocity of object with respect to mirror. That formula is only applicable when object is moving with respect, object is moving parallel to the principal axis. इधर क्या बच्चा? हाँ Vishnu, that is why that is wrong ना. Here object is moving perpendicular to the principal axis. So if object is moving perpendicular to the principal axis, du by dt cannot be written as velocity of object. dv by dt cannot be written as velocity of image right now here. ठीक है? So that is why this will give you wrong answer. तो correct answer क्या है बच्चा? देखो मैं I am going to teach you here. ध्यान से देखना. All right, guys. Let us see the data. कौन-कौन सा data दिया है? First is what? Focal length is 20. Vishruth, why did you use that? Have you studied that already? Vishruth, have you studied already or you have just guessed it? Mirror is at rest and all the velocities are given with respect to ground. Thought so? Okay. Thought so. देखो बच्चा, let us find out. So when the particle is moving in this direction, particle कहाँ move कर रहा है बच्चा? इधर move कर रहा है. Particle is moving in this direction actually. All right, guys. Do you want some other time? Some time, guys. Think about this. Try to get the answer. Yes, Kripa. I've started that. Okay, please take 1 minute time and please try to solve it. दिमाग लगाओ, जितना लगाना लगा लो. It's okay. Take your time. 10 centimeter. All right. देखते हैं बच्चा. Differentiating the position. But also you have to think position of the object in which direction. See, rate of change of position will give you pakka the velocity. But position is in which direction? Rate of change of position will give you the velocity in the direction in which position is being changing. थोड़ा सा इन सब चीजों का ध्यान देना बच्चा, बेसिक है. यस विश्रुत, आई थिंक कुछ तो आपने सही कुछ तो किया है. यस गोकुल, कुछ मैग्निफिकेशन से रिलेटेड कुछ काम करना होगा. Yes, position is changing in y. Very good. Then try to get the answer. Lakshman is saying 20 meter per second. Lakshman, do you want to share the approach? If you ask me, I don't think you have got the correct answer, but still, share the approach. How did you get the answer? 1 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर गया तो इमेज -2 सेंटीमीटर नीचे जाएगा। ओके कुछ तो सोच रहे हो, दैट्स वेरी गुड। एटलीस्ट यू गाइस आर डूइंग समथिंग, दैट्स बढ़िया है। चमक नहीं रहा है, मैं चमका देखो गाइस। सी इफ आई राइट, देखो होगा क्या, पार्टिकल इज मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, राइट? So can I say I have to find rate of change of position in this direction? Particle is moving perpendicular to the principal axis. So we have to find what is the rate of change of position in a direction perpendicular to principal axis. Can I say that can be given by, देखो particle अभी यहाँ था, consider there is a, see particle is here, now particle will move in this direction. Can I say I can consider an object, extended object, which size is actually increasing? Can I say that? Guys, I'm using something here. Just try to think about this. What I'm doing actually, I'm trying to consider this as a extended object whose base is at the principal axis, or base is here, and the size of the object is actually increasing in this direction. So correspondingly, the size of image will also increase in downward direction or in upward direction depending on the position. So the rate at which the size of object changes will give us what is the velocity of object. The rate of change at which the size of image changes, that will give us the velocity of image. So that is what we are going to use here. So I'm going to write magnification is equal to, क्या होता है magnification का फॉर्मूला बच्चा लोग? तो h0 divided by hi. h0 divided by hi. So if I write hi, I can say hi will be equal to, क्या होगा बच्चा? या फिर मैं लिखता हूं h0 की जगह यहाँ पे, सॉरी उल्टा लिखा मैंने, आई हैव रिटन उल्टा, इट विल बी hi divided by h0. So I'll write hi will be equal to m into h0. So if I differentiate this with respect to time, dhi divided by dt will be equal to d by dt of m into h0. Okay. अरे ऑब्जेक्ट को इलोंगेट नहीं किया प्रतीश, आई हैव कंसिडर्ड कि देयर इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑलरेडी देयर इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक दिस, एंड कंसिडर द ऑब्जेक्ट, द साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज इंक्रीजिंग. एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट इंक्रीजिंग, आई एम कंसिडरिंग द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इंक्रीजिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन. अरे देख लेना, ये 5 मीटर पर सेकंड से ऊपर जाने का मतलब क्या है? मैंने ये किया कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसके टॉप पॉइंट को मैं 5 मीटर पर सेकंड से ऊपर ले जा रहा हूं, तो साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज बीइंग इंक्रीज्ड by 5 meter in 1 second. So that is the velocity of the object. ठीक है? So dh by dt is equal to, so this will give us m into dh0 by dt plus h0 into dm by dt. ठीक है? तो ये हमारा ऐसे कुछ इक्वेशन आएगा. What is dhi by dt? I can say dhi by dt can be written as velocity of image with respect to principal axis, because this size कहां से हो रहा है? देखो, with respect to principal axis it is going to move, right? So with respect to principal axis, or you can say with respect to mirror also, no issues. So velocity of image, all right, will be equal to m into velocity of object plus h0 into dm by dt. गोकुल, मैग्निफिकेशन विल बी कांस्टेंट कब? ध्यान से सुनना, मैग्निफिकेशन कब कांस्टेंट रहेगा? टेल मी व्हेन मैग्निफिकेशन विल बी कांस्टेंट. ये देखो ऊपर जा रहा है ना, ये v और u विल बी जब कांस्टेंट, देन ओनली, राइट? दिस इज द जनरल फॉर्म आई एम टेलिंग यू. ओके, चलिए, तो ये फॉर्म हमारे पास इस तरीके से कुछ है. लेट मी डील विद दिस ओनली, ऐसा ही काम करते हैं विदाउट इंक्लूडिंग वेक्टर. Tell me what is the value of h0 in this condition, bachalo? What is the value of h0 in this condition? We are talking about a point object, where the height of object is what? At this point, what is the h0? So at this point, the value of h0 is 0. This is the general form. In this question, h0 is kya bacha? 0. So put the value of h0 as 0. And then get the answer. Velocity of image will be equal to m into v0. Alright guys, चलिए, तो m का वैल्यू पुट करो, v का वैल्यू पुट करो. m का वैल्यू क्या बच्चा लोग? तो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इज गिवन टू अस, f इज गिवन टू अस, तो -20 डिवाइडेड बाय -20 + 30 into v naught is what 5. तो आंसर कितना मिलेगा बच्चा लोग? सो आंसर विल बी -10 मीटर पर सेकंड। ऑलराइट गाइस, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं बच्चा। लेट अस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। Let us solve this question. Vishrut has answered. Acha guys, whatever we have studied in boards class, the velocity condition क्या था, समझ में आया आपको? Condition was when the object is moving along the principal axis and on the principal axis. यहाँ देखो, it is moving parallel to principal axis. That is true. It's not on the principal axis. So condition change हो जाएगा यहाँ. Come on guys, try to get the answer for this. Now tell me whether m will be constant here. Whether m will be constant here, बच्चा लोग? M will not be constant here. dm by dt will not be constant here. Come on guys, use the formula. देखो बच्चा, so velocity of image with respect to mirror in parallel direction is equal to minus of m square into velocity of object with respect to mirror, right? In parallel direction. What about in perpendicular direction? Formula is velocity of image with respect to mirror in perpendicular direction is equal to, just now we figured out, m into velocity of object with respect to mirror, all right, in perpendicular direction plus h naught into dm by dt. So what is the velocity of object with respect to mirror in perpendicular direction? So answer is 0. Here this will be 0. So first find what is velocity of image with respect to mirror in parallel direction. What will be the answer? Minus m square. What is the value of m, bacha? So m is nothing but minus 30 divided by minus 30 plus 20 ka square into velocity of object with respect to mirror in parallel direction is 10. So will be equal to this minus minus plus ho jayega. So 30 divided by 10 is 3. So answer will be minus 90. All right. So minus 90 meter per second will be the velocity of image with respect to mirror in parallel direction. What about the velocity of image with respect to mirror in perpendicular direction? The formula is magnification कितना मिला बच्चा? तो minus of minus 3. All right. Sorry, plus 3 actually. Plus 3 होगा ना? आप ये वैल्यू पुट करोगे क्या मिल जाएगा आपको? प्लस 3. So plus 3 into what is the velocity of object with respect to mirror in perpendicular direction? That is 0. Plus what is the value of h naught बच्चा लोग? h naught कितना है? 2 centimeter. 2. Okay, but since everything is in meter per second, I have to take care of the unit also. यहाँ 2 की जगह क्या लिखना पड़ेगा बच्चा लोग? Tell me. यहाँ देखो 2 है, यहाँ भी क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? This was the ratio that will not affect us. But if you're writing about this h naught and dm by dt, you have to take care of the unit also, right? So tell me guys, what should I write as h naught का value? बोलो बच्चा लोग, h naught क्या लिखना चाहिए? Guys, are you getting my point? Why this will become 0? I'm using this formula here. Velocity of object with respect to mirror in perpendicular direction is 0. So that is why this will become 0. Now I have to find out h naught into dm by dt. First, let us write h naught. Guys, tell me how will you figure out the dm by dt value? बोलो अच्छा dm by dt कैसे निकालोगे? Tell me guys. Tell me how will you find the value of dm by dt? You can do that, but f is not differentiate. Sorry guys, I don't know what is going on. So how will you find dm by dt? बच्चा लोग, rate of change of v. Yeah, you have to differentiate m actually. You have to differentiate m. What is the value of m? What is the value of m? So either you consider f divided by f minus u, or you consider this. M क्या है? M is nothing but v by u. M is nothing but v by u. So dm by dt will be written as एक को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर डिफरेंशिएट होगा, राइट? p by u होता है ना इसका वैल्यू, ठीक है? और विद द माइनस साइन, एक्चुअली विद द माइनस साइन. ऑलराइट, सो आई राइट माइनस ऑफ u into velocity of image with respect to mirror in parallel direction. Alright, let me write it नीचे बड़ा, क्योंकि बड़ा रिलेशन आएगा बच्चा. We are going to get a very long relation. So dm by dt will be d by dt of minus v by u. So differentiation will minus बाहर आएगा. I'll let u into dv by dt will be velocity of image with respect to mirror in parallel direction, minus v into du by dt will give us the velocity of object with respect to mirror in parallel direction, divided by u square. Now put all the values, guys. Put all the values. What is the value of u? It is given to us. What is the value of u? It is 20 centimeter. You कितना बच्चा? 20 centimeter. Put the value. What is the value of VIM parallel? Just now we have figured out minus 90. ठीक है? तो ये value मुझे मिला minus 90. What is the value of V? So calculate the value of V from mirror formula. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. ठीक है? तो 1 by minus 30 plus 1 by 20. LCM will be 60. ऊपर में कितना मिलेगा बच्चा लोग? Minus, sorry. Correct. LCM will be 16. ऊपर क्या मिलेगा? Minus 2 plus 3. So answer will be 1 by 60. So image distance is nothing but 60. So I got the value of u, I got the value of VIM, I got the value of V also. What is the value of velocity of object with respect to mirror in parallel direction? Given to us 10 meter per second. What is the value of u square? The 20 square. But I have to convert this into meter per second, right? So final answer क्या मिलेगा बच्चे? dm by dt का बोलो. What will be the final answer? Come on guys, give me the answer here. What will be the final answer? Minus 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 into minus 90 minus of 60 into 5. ठीक है? 60 को भी convert करना पड़ेगा ना हमें, because 60 will be in centimeter. So into 10 to the power minus 2 into 5 divided by u square. तो 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus के साथ है square करेंगे. Come on guys, solve this and get me the answer for dm by dt. बोलो बच्चा, what is the value of dm by dt? 1000 नहीं होगा, LCM 1000 नहीं होगा. Tell me guys, what is the answer for dm by dt here? 180 16 to 50 तो कुछ आएगा 300 by 4 something 3 into something आना चाहिए बच्चा लोग. 9 to 18 हुआ, 18 minus something इधर आएगा, या something 3 into something. देखो dm by dt will be what? I think 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus sign के साथ. Minus 2 or plus 2? Yeah, plus 2, correct. Plus 2. So minus 3 into 10 to the power plus 2. What will be the unit बच्चा लोग? Per second. Right? Unit of dm by dt will be per second. Now put the value here. So put the value. So velocity of image with respect to mirror in perpendicular direction will be equal to m का value कितना मिला बच्चा लोग? What is the value of m? Tell me guys, what is the value of m here? Or anyway, we don't have to worry about m actually. It is 0 only. M into something 0 मिल जाएगा. Plus h naught. Put the value of h naught 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into -3 into 10 to the power +2. So this is the answer. तो ये क्या मिल जाएगा मेरे को आंसर? -6 मीटर पर सेकेंड. So particle कैसे मूव करेगा बच्चा? So particle will move in this direction. This will be the velocity of image in parallel direction. This will be the velocity of image in perpendicular direction. This value will be 6 meter per second and this value will be कितना मिला है? 90 meter per second. Alright guys click yes if you have understood this. Acha, guys, you must have a question, sir. Will this question be asked to us in JEE Main? So no. Sir, can this question be used or can the partial form or can any one of the component of this question be asked in JEE Main? So yes. They can ask you what will be the component of velocity of image in perpendicular direction. Okay? Or they might ask you what will be the component of velocity of image in parallel direction. They will ask you any one of them. It has been asked so many times actually, not very so many times means not 100 times, but yeah, in 10 to 12 years, once in 10 to 12 years, question from this topic has been asked. So you can be asked what is the velocity of image in parallel direction, what is the velocity of image in perpendicular direction. If examiner, like if the question, the one who is actually setting the question, if he wants this question to be lengthy or to be the rank decider, they might ask you what is the velocity of image directly. Okay? Vishruth, why dm by dt should be positive, bacha? Here we have got negative only. Why dm by dt should be positive? Vishruth, why dm by dt should be positive? It should be negative only. Rate of change of magnification. So magnification will decrease as you move towards the इसके पास में जाओगे तो ठीक है. नो अंकित, everything is correct. सब कुछ सही किया मैंने, आपने कुछ गलत किया बच्चा. You have committed some. अच्छा, मैंने कुछ 10 सेंटीमीटर माना है क्या? क्या हुआ? What is the problem? Okay, यहाँ 10 हुआ ना. That is why ना. This is 10. Okay, all right. This is 10. It's okay. Correct. All right, guys. So this is the answer for this question. Let us move on to next one. Give me an answer for this question then. Based on the calculation that we have done in these two questions, give me the correct answer for this one. Here, mirror is also moving. But relief, the easier part is what? The object is not above the principal axis. Object is at the principal axis. तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा आसान मिलेगा. Yes, बच्चा, you can do that, but differentiation correct होना चाहिए ना आपका. You should be differentiating it correctly, Gokul. If your differentiation is correct, no issues. You can also get the answer in terms of f. But बच्चा f के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा. You'll get the same answer. Because relation between f, v and u is nothing but the like mirror formula. So everything will be covered. तुम्हें logarithmic solve करना पड़ेगा गोकुल in that way. Come on guys, give me the answer for this. Find the velocity of image in a situation as shown in the figure. जल्दी से आंसर करो. हाँ बिल्कुल गोकुल, आंसर सेम आएगा. It will not be different. You must get the same answer. विनय कुमार, चाय पीने का टाइम हो गया क्या? 18. Okay, let us see. 15 meter per second, 2 meter per second. Okay. एक component तो नहीं आएगा ना चेतन? There'll be two components. There'll be two components, right? 2 meter per 15 meter per second. There'll be two components. One will be parallel component. Other one will be perpendicular component. Root 137. No. Tell me. See, bacha. Give me the answer in terms of like what will be the perpendicular component. What will be the parallel component. So guys, if you need the answer, let me give you the answer. I think time ho gaya hai. I got just notification tang done karke. So I think the answer will be minus 24. Okay, will be perpendicular component. Minus 24 meter per second, and parallel component will be equal to minus 46 meter per second. So these two are the answers you have to verify. ठीक है? Approach बिल्कुल same है बच्चा. You have to use this formula. Velocity of image with respect to mirror in parallel direction will be minus m square. Velocity of object with respect to mirror in parallel direction. Velocity of image with respect to mirror in perpendicular direction will be equal to, जो फॉर्मूला हमारा वहां मिला था, क्या मिला था बच्चा? m into velocity of image with, sorry, object with respect to mirror in perpendicular direction plus h naught into dm by. Here h naught will be 0, so you don't have to worry about this. Find the answer, get and quote the answer. ठीक है? तो minus 44 and minus 24 will be the correct answer. No बच्चा, minus 44 नहीं आएगा, minus 46 आना चाहिए. Vishrut, you are missing out one thing. Question is you have to find the velocity of image. You are missing out the velocity of mirror. So minus 44 minus of minus 2, it will be minus 46. Vishrut, well done, you got that minus 44 part. But that will be with respect to mirror, na? Velocity of image with respect to mirror in parallel direction will be pakka minus 44. But you have to find what is the velocity of image. So it will be minus 44 minus of, कितना आंसर मिलेगा? All right, so please do that. All right, guys, I'm ending the meeting here only. So I hope you have understood the concept of velocity of image for JEE. I know this is thoda sa tough, but if you practice properly, you can aram se deal with this. All right, guys, let me end the meeting here only. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy, buddy. Have a nice day, guys.